What is it, guys, who dates someone? I'm gonna doing, oh, what is this headlight just doing? Take it off. I'm gonna doing the perfect squishy tag. If you pretty much don't know what that is, it's like a squishy tag that's like perfect, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, let's just move on to the video. Well, there's 7 questions if you're wondering. Okay. So the first, hold on, I need to go do something real quick. Okay, so the first squishy, the first like question or thing is, you're the best squishy packaging, and I picked this, Yummy Bear Mermaid Seashell, and like it's coming apart. Okay, but yeah, here it is. Okay, it's just like coming apart, but that's okay. So I picked it because it's like very cute and has a lot of colors. Like, yeah, and then the back is very pretty. It has like the little seashell. I'm gonna do that real quick. So yeah, like the packaging is very cute. So yeah, here's the actual squishy. Here is the acrylic little charm thing. So here's the actual squishy. So yeah, like it looks pretty much like the packaging a little bit, like, you know, the colors and stuff. So that is question 1. I forgot question 2. Okay, oh, let's move on to question 2. I just almost, okay, so so for question 2, it is, what is your most colorful squishy? This is actually my most colorful squishy, but I already used it, so I have just this Super Jumbo Galaxy Mario Strawberry, the tag, and the like little acrylic charm. Here's the real squishy, and like it's pretty colorful. He has some like blue, some light blue, and some purple. Like, these smell the same and they smell disgusting. Sorry if anybody like likes the scent of them. I'm just not a big fan of them. So yeah. The second one is forgot it. What is a squishy that has the like best, like, that looks realistic, or that has like the best like feeling, I guess? And I picked this like little sleeping sheep thing. It's by Woo. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. But yeah, here's the packaging. So yeah. And why I picked it is because like it has like these bumps. These like bumps, and they feel like really cool, and like they go like up and then down and then up and then, you know. But yeah, that's just what I picked for the best detail thing. So yeah. The next squishy is next tag thing is a squishy that you regret buying. I don't know if I'm going to order, but I don't really care. So I regret buying this Hello Kitty donut. It costs $15 at Claire's, and the reason I regret buying it is because the paint started peeling off, and this is what happened. Started decorating it, and it looks really bad. But yeah, it's actually really squishy, but it's just really bad. But the back didn't come off, so that's okay. So the next squishy, the next like tag thing is a squishy that you like have forgotten, I guess. And I picked this like little corn dog squishy because it's like a common squishy that I don't really play with common squishies anymore. Play with like licensed squishies. So yeah, I don't really like think about this one so much. So yeah. The second thing is like a squishy that you like squish a lot. And it has to be between these two. My Yummy Bear donut. Here's like the little acrylic thing. Okay, like, look what happened. Like, it's like really weird. But yeah. There's that one. And I really squished this one a lot. This like little turtle squishy. So yeah, like I like this part. So yeah, a squishy that you love, like that you love a lot, like you show like love to it. And I have little peach. It's just like I had this for like one day. Today's Christmas. Happy Christmas. It's just like it gets defects and I'm scared to squish it, but I love it so much. It smells like fresh peach, and I love like peaches. Like I eat those every day. So there's that. So the next squishy thing is like desert island, and that means a squishy that you like bring anywhere. And I picked this like little milk bottle. Here's the like little tag. It's by Big Monkey. And I picked this tag. Here it is. I picked this milk bottle. Here it is. Like really cute. And it just says milk on it. So yeah, that's the squishy. So that is all for this video. Comment down below, like which one, like let's say, what squishy would you bring anywhere? Yes. So yeah, like this video and whoa, this came out of the squishy. So like this video and subscribe to be one of the Hacksaw Squishy Squad. So yeah, and happy Christmas if you're watching this video on Christmas. So yeah, so that's all for this video. Bye. And I'm gonna be showing bloopers at the end of my like video. So for the best packaging, I picked this like what is this called? Oh, mermaid seashell. So I picked this one because it's like very bumpy, like bum 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 bum. It's like so bumpy like a sheep. Like this gets defects so easily. Like it's gonna be ripped. Oh, it smells like poison. Like this trying to kill me. Yeah. Sorry guys, my throat is like very late. Oh, it's like weird. I am shook. I can't get up. So yeah, so this is like a common squishy, and I don't really collect common squishies. And okay. Who's outside? Like it's like 6 a.m. It's like coming off. So yeah, as I said, this is all for this video, and bye bye, Squish fans. #SquishGod.